In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to get started using the newly released SprinxCRM for Google Apps, which enables users to leverage the power of a full-featured CRM from within Google Apps with single sign-on convenience. Together, Google Apps and SprinxCRM delivers a simple yet effective suite of business applications that work the way we want them to, seamlessly. In the screencast, I'll take you through the steps of setting up SprinxCRM for Google Apps and then show you how to use the two tools together. So let's get started. First, I'll show you how to add SprinxCRM to the list of applications in your Google account. Let's start with where you can find SprinxCRM for Google Apps. To visit the Google Apps Marketplace, simply enter google.com/apps in your browser and hit enter. Once you're there, click Learn More to enter the marketplace itself. Now that you are in the Google Apps homepage, select Apps Marketplace from the Products menu. Once the page refreshes, click the Visit the Marketplace button to enter. Then type SprinxCRM into the search field and press Enter. When the search results appear, locate SprinxCRM for Google Apps and click to view the details. This should take you to the SprinxCRM for Google Apps screen, where you can find basic information about the CRM and add the tool to your Google Apps. Click the Add It Now button to add SprinxCRM to your list of Google applications. Next, when you are asked to enter your domain, simply enter your information and press Go. Note that if you do not have your own domain, and you are not planning to create one, you can still try out SprinxCRM by visiting their website at www.SprinxCRM.com and registering for a free 30-day trial. Doing so will give you access to a SprinxCRM online account so you can test drive SprinxCRM for yourself. Okay, back to the screencast. You will now be prompted to log in to your Google Apps account. Make sure to log in with an account that has administrator privileges. In this step, you need to confirm the terms of service. You don't need to worry about a subscription at this stage. Adding SprinxCRM to your Google Apps entitles you to a free 30-day trial, so there will be no charges or payments required. To accept the terms of service, click the I agree button. On the next screen, you will be asked to grant SprinxCRM permission to access your Google data to enable synchronization between the CRM and your Google Calendar. This makes it possible for you to view your appointments in both Google Calendar and SprinxCRM. Click Grant Data Access to grant the necessary permissions. The external configuration screen that you see now is an optional step that we don't need to worry about, so skip this step by clicking Configure Application and proceed with the setup. Now you are asked to add SprinxCRM to your domain. Click Enable App Now to add SprinxCRM to your domain and make it available in your Google navigation and dashboard. The final screen in the installation process displays your configuration settings for SprinxCRM. Simply keep it as it is. There should be no need to change any settings at this point. Now it's time to try out SprinxCRM for Google Apps. Navigate to your Google dashboard to get started using SprinxCRM. SprinxCRM is now available and ready to use. The next thing we need to do is make an initial data sync. Here you can see the SprinxCRM link in my Google dashboard. Click on the green link to access SprinxCRM. The first time you use the tool, you need to grant SprinxCRM permission to access your Google Calendar and contacts so that they can exchange information with one another. Once in SprinxCRM, the first page you will see is Getting Started with SprinxCRM. Here you will find basic introductory information that will help you get going with SprinxCRM. Take a look to get an overview about what the tool does and clarify any questions you have. In order to take full advantage of SprinxCRM for Google Apps, there's one further step we need to take care of. Though we've already adjusted our Google account's permission settings to enable seamless synchronization with the CRM, we also need to adjust SprinxCRM's settings. To do this, click on the My CRM tab and choose Google Apps Sync to grant the necessary permissions and link your SprinxCRM user account with your Google user account. clicking Google Apps Sync opens the SprinxCRM Universal Sync page in a new tab or browser window. Once there, click the Setup button to begin the process of linking SprinxCRM and Google Apps. On the screen that appears, you are asked to grant permission for data access between SprinxCRM and your Google Apps account. Click the Grant Access button to allow synchronization between the two tools. Once this is done, you will be forwarded back to the sync configuration page where you can make your first sync. Click the Sync button to launch the initial sync. At this point, you need to be patient and wait until the page reloads, as your data is being transferred between Google and SprinxCRM. It is important to remember that you need to click the Sync button each time you want to synchronize SprinxCRM with your Google account. Now that that's done, let's go back to our CRM to see what the result of our first sync was. If I click on the Calendar tab, you can see that an appointment I created in my Google Calendar was synced to the CRM automatically. Next, we'll reschedule a meeting in SprinxCRM to demonstrate that our updates are synced back to Google Calendar as well. Navigate back to the Google Apps Sync page and press the Sync button once again. It is not necessary to grant additional permissions. Let's now return to Google Calendar so we can see what's happened. Once back in your Google Calendar, refresh the page and you should see your updated appointments. Now let's go back to SprinxCRM and take a look at what contacts we have there. First, click the CRM Browser tab in the left pane, and then click the Show All button in the toolbar to display all of your contact records. Tracking leads and other business contacts in your CRM is obviously the smart way to go, but also making them available to and up to date with Google Apps is an added convenience that facilitates business communication. Go to your Gmail page and click the Contacts tab in the left pane so we can take a look at our Google contacts. As you can see, I now have 31 contacts in my profile. Also notice that my CRM contacts are already there as well. Keep in mind the synchronization works one way, from SprinxCRM to Google Contacts, but this is intentional. SprinxCRM to Google Contacts synchronization ensures changes are updated without administration overhead, so your CRM data is always up to date and ready to use. SprinxCRM's intuitive suite of tools are designed to make your customer data available and accessible across your entire team to boost team efficiency and streamline sales efforts. SprinxCRM offers salespeople just the suite of tools they need to manage customer relationships and contacts, track contact opportunities, manage individual and team-wide activities, better manage time and share appointments with your entire team, and organize and track marketing campaigns. I encourage you to visit the Google Apps Marketplace and try out SprinxCRM for yourself. I'm sure you'll agree. SprinxCRM offers salespeople just the suite of tools they need